Hey everyone, welcome to YouTube channel TechPie. In this video, I'll show you how to display dynamic questions in Copilot Studio using AI prompts with adaptive cards. Let's get started. Step 1, trigger phrases. First, we create a phrase called show question. Whenever the user types show question, our topic flow will start. Step 2, define questions. Next, we store a set of questions in a variable. Here, I've added questions like, are you married? What's your full name? What's your date of birth? And so on. Some questions are multiple choice and others are text input. Step 3, AI builder model. Now, instead of manually designing each adaptive card, we send these questions to an AI builder model. The model automatically converts them into an adaptive card JSON format. Step 4, show adaptive card. Once the AI generates the card, we use the adaptive card prompt action to display to the user. This means the questions are shown dynamically based on the list we defined earlier. Step 5, capture response. Finally, we capture the user's answers using system.activity.value. This allows us to process or store their responses easily. And that's it. With just a few steps, we've created dynamic questions using adaptive cards and AI prompts in Copilot Studio. This approach is really helpful when we don't know the questions or their types beforehand, and it allows for dynamic handling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. There we go. Hopefully that felt natural and engaging. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.